Aurorealis by Ferris Wheel Press ink. This color is not at all what I thought it was going to be when I got it out. So I love to use, as you saw earlier, a little ink dropper, and I put just 1 or 2 drops of the ink, and that will go a very long way. And so if I'm not going to use it all at one time, I just let it dry out, and then I add water when I'm going to use it again. Now, when I review or test these colors, I like to do, one line that goes from kind of light to dark, and then I usually use a little bit of a thicker line. Then I try to take a tangle. Mocha is a great one because I can shade it in all different kind of ways with the Ferris Wheel Press ink, and then a rose. I think a rose is a great way because you just keep adding water to the ink. So I use these inks more as watercolor than I use them as anything else. This is unlike any other color that I have in my set because it almost has, like, depending on how it dries and where you have it, it's a purple with a little bit of pink and a touch of kind of grayish, bluish. Really a magical color, I would say, that has, you can see in the rose the colors I'm talking about. It's this purple with a kind of a little bit of pink into like a grayish blue. The bottle is absolutely beautiful. I will say the Ferris wheel ink packaging is fantastic. And here's kind of what it looks like close up. But if you go to my Linktree, which is located on my profile page under my P.O. box, click the long link tree, go down to Ferris Wheel Press Inks, and if you use code OTL at checkout, you'll get 10% off.